Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, we are doing a video on causes, symptoms of a bad EGR valve and how to replace it on a 2006 Honda Civic. So basically, if you guys don't know, the EGR valve plays a very important role in the exhaust system of your vehicle, particularly the emissions portion of it. Now, if you guys have this problem, what you're gonna have is a bad EGR valve that could actually cause issues with the flow and operation of the EGR system, and essentially this leads to performance issue, including not having a lot of power as far as your vehicle is concerned, reduce acceleration and decrease fuel efficiency, and it could also cause the vehicle's emissions to increase. And you guys don't know how this occurs. The EGR valve can become stuck open or closed, and that's due to a buildup of a lot of soot particles, carbon deposits, and dirt from fuel. So if you guys have this issue and you guys want to know what causes it before you guys remove it, your engine could have a rough idle. It could have also poor performance, and you probably have increased fuel consumption, or your vehicle could stall while idling, and you probably have a gas smell also. And if you guys have this issue, you're gonna have a check engine light, obviously. But so basically, the EGR valve, it's pretty obvious where it is because it's right in front of the engine, as you guys can see from the video. There is a plug that goes to it, and all you guys gotta do is take that plug off. And once you guys take that plug off, you guys could get to the EGR valve. There's a gasket, and there's two bolts that hold it in. On this vehicle, it's very, very, very simple to take it off. On other vehicle, it's actually screwed on by a nut, and a lot of times that gets seized in a lot of vehicles because of the amount of because it's an older part, etc., etc. But in any case, two bolts. All you guys gotta do, it's right in front. Take the plug off, and you guys can replace it pretty easily. If you guys have any questions about this, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.